in terms of all of us going and living our lives online as digital things and, never leaving the house and never getting any sunshine, that vision never made any sense to me at all. But another thing that's kind of shifted is the word metaverse has that's kind of dropped a little by the wayside because of the association with the company Meta. That's been confusing. And so the industry has kind of, as a whole, shifted to talking about more the spatial internet. And so the idea of having the kinds of information that you can get from the internet, information and entertainment, and then having that integrated into your physical space in some way, whether through a VR kind of headset like the Quest 3. The Quest 3 is such a good headset. Everybody goes on, and rightly so, about Apple's Vision Pro, but the Quest 3 is so wonderful. And it has pass-through video, and there's increasing numbers of really spectacular experiences you can have where digital things merge with and mix with your physical environment as seen through the headset, and that's great. But I think even more powerfully is the idea of augmented reality in headsets. And this is actually very much what interconnected realities is about. Kind of, not to be too much of a spoiler here, but I conclude that this is actually the future. And now what I didn't foresee is the rise of audio connection to generative AI engines through AR kinds of glasses. And so, because the idea of augmenting your reality, it is just as valid to augment it with audio input as with visual input.